Caulking junctions. Applying joint adhesive in the junctions is similar to applying a bond breaker for new waterproofing membrane applications. These areas are subject to increased movement, so allowing a break in the direct bond of waterproofing provides additional flexibility for the area. If the existing caulking is in a good state and has been cleaned, there's no need to remove, but apply the recommended clear joint adhesive over the top. This will allow for compatibility of the clear waterproof membrane. Apply the joint adhesive in the junctions, between the wall and the floor, and the wall to wall, 100ml or 4 inches up the wall, and if you have skirting, you will need to apply the joint adhesive on top of the skirting and below to ensure that if the wall moves and the skirting cracks behind, that it will be sealed, preventing water gaining access and running behind the skirting tile and into the screed. Also, checking if the underside of the doors has a gap and needs to be sealed. You would be surprised how often this flashing is missing from under the door. With every application except one, you will install the recommended joint adhesive first, followed by 2 coats of the membrane. If you have bluestone tiles, you'll need to install the first coat of the membrane and then apply the recommended joint adhesive. Even though both products are clear, the joint adhesive will leave a different residue on the tile than the membrane. The recommended joint adhesive is NutriCure and does not need additional time to cure prior to membrane application, which can be installed immediately after the caulking application. How to caulk. Cut the nozzle at the size you want the junction to be at a 45-degree angle. Use the ribs as a guide. The longest part of the nozzle is on top with the shortest part touching the floor. Bend or bite the long part of the nozzle flat, so there's no curvature in it. This will act as a perfect finish for the caulking when applied. Apply in a smooth motion, with cartridge held as an extension of your arm, not at any weird angles. Put a bit of soapy water on your finger and wipe over the surface. Not to take any excess off, because you've already got the perfect amount on, but to ensure adhesion of both sides of the caulking to the surface.